Hi, I'm Omar Wynne and this is my latest fruit and veg sketchbook where I revisited the very basics of watercolour through my favourite subject. Over the years I've realised that so many beginners fall in love with the look of watercolour, that luminous flowing quality, but then feel completely overwhelmed when they try it for themselves. Maybe your colours turn muddy or look washed out, or you're never quite sure when to add the next layer. This course is to help beginners move past the same frustration I once felt and to finally understand how water and pigment really work, and to enjoy the process rather than fear mistakes. Some of the tips I share here would have saved me so much confusion in those early days. In Watercolour Made Simple, a beginner's guide with fruit and vegetables, we'll return to the essentials, combining clear demonstrations and practical exercises in a steady, encouraging pace that will strengthen confidence and technique. You'll learn how to get those bright, glowing colours instead of muddy ones. I'll walk you through each step so you understand why things happen and how to use that to your advantage. This class includes 4 full-length demos where I'll show you how small changes in water and pigment can completely transform your painting in real time. If you've ever felt unsure about why your colours turn muddy or why your brush felt too wet or too dry, these demos are going to make everything click. More than anything, this course is about building confidence through practical play that takes the pressure off perfection. You'll learn to relax, experiment, and understand what's happening on your paper. So instead of feeling frustrated, you'll start to feel in control. Over time, you'll develop a gentle, curious painting practice that helps you make progress without needing perfect results every time. So if you've ever wanted to truly understand how watercolour works, to paint with more ease, more joy, and less frustration, join me for Watercolour Made Simple, a beginner's guide to fruit and vegetables.